Hello folks, hope everybody's doing well today. Today's Monday. Hope everybody has a blessed week. Stay safe. We'll start off first up here. We'd planted these green beans last week there. I told you I didn't know about if the seeds would work or not. They're 7 years old. Well, let's take a look. They done pretty good so far. Like I said, we didn't know for sure if they'd germinate or not, but actually, knock on wood, they did better than what our new seeds that we got this year did. Just be a little garden report. Never did get her plastic put in between here, but that's fine. Go through here and weed eat this in here on the ground. Dixie likes to come in here whenever we've not sprayed anything. We don't spray a whole lot. Now I did have to spray a little bit there a while back when some of them actually look like he's going to take the blight. And when I sprayed them beans, here's some of our peppers. They're doing pretty good. These tomatoes, they've done outgrew their string. I may have to run me another string up to over top here. They're sort of filling in. And actually what I can do now, since them other beans, the pole beans out, I can move these. This camera. I can move these over to that other string and pull them away just a little bit, but need to come through with my little toothbrush. Germinate these tomatoes. You can see they're getting more little tomatoes on there. That may be what I do, guys. I may run your string on up that way. Let's see one where I got the broke off. Darn morning glories. Them things are a pain in the butt. But that's inside in here. Knock on wood, they're doing good. We've been picking a lot off them over there. Camera, I wish you'd do what I'd want you to do. Let's go around over here. No, we've been getting quite a few tomatoes out of here. It's cooled off just a little bit, not a whole lot, but enough for these tomatoes enjoy it better. They was actually starting to throw the blooms off. Pardon me. They was actually starting to throw the blooms off a little bit on them real hot days. But now we'll step down here to the weed patch, take a look. Hey, there's a thunderstorm coming over the mountain right now. Down through here's our tomatoes on the outside. Hopefully you're seeing that. Then over here is our pole beans out here. The greasy beans is actually coming over here joining the pink tips. But I don't know if it's the groundhog or what. I've got to run some more strings over there for that. They got in there and messed them up. I know they've got plenty of blooms on them. And darn old Japanese beetles. There's always some kind of varmint to come around. But all in all, everything's doing pretty well. In the morning, Lord willing, the day you all are watching this, I gotta get out here and trim on these tomatoes. Gotta sit back a couple days. I don't know what in the world. Today, I'm actually feeling a lot better than what I had been feeling. I don't know. I'd like to thank y'all for your prayers. I don't know what in the world. hit me there. Gotta get out here with the hoe too. It's easy to keep weeds out when it's dry weather. When it starts raining, that's when the weeds come. That is where the one corn was. Let's get out here and take a look. Right out through here is where we done the one corn. Now we got some corn off of it there, but I believe it would have done better if it hadn't had the freezes on it that it did. The frost and freezes. It tousled out way early. Now we got us some corn and Mom some corn, put up a little bit. Nothing to brag about, but it was early. That was the earliest we've had regular corn before. Gotta get out here and weed eat this. Our watermelons are out here in this on the plastic. Hopefully you can see in there the corn. Camera, you ain't doing what I'm wanting you. Hopefully you can see in there the corn. And down here you can see these two stalks like that there. There's a darn groundhog come along. And I wouldn't be surprised if he wasn't the culprit up there with our strings up there. But been getting squash and zucchini. Here's our cucumbers. We're starting to get a few off them. Mom and Dad, they've been getting off of there for several weeks, their cucumbers. But you can see we've got a lot coming on there. We like these little fellers here. We got them from Hoss Tools and Hoss Seeds. Mini me's, I think they're called. They're just a little teeny, just the right size for pickling, just the right size for eating too. But that's basically it for now. Thought I'd run out here real quick before we fed the goats, get them all put up. They're over on the hill right now. But no, that's about it for now. Some of our onions will have to start getting a few of them. The neck's starting to break over on them there. But no, hopefully everything. One time, I'll tell you a story. Of course, that had to do when I was working. I got out and done a little bit of stuff in the garden. That's why I'm not cutting and trimming any of them tomatoes up today. I messed up and worked on a Sunday. And I got out here. It wasn't a whole lot, but I did a little bit in the garden that day. And it was like the following day, there's a storm blowed up out of nowhere. And the corn patch, that time it was further over to the left, right behind the house. And it was almost like the hand of God just come down and pushed that corn down. Now it come back out of it and everything, but it don't pay to do stuff on a Sunday like that there. But no, I hope everybody has a blessed week and stays safe. Lord willing, be seeing you Wednesday. Now we've already got Wednesdays filmed, and let me tell you, it is good. Carolyn, she saved that recipe. She said that there, I won't tell you what it was, but it is good, folks. So I hope you come back and see us Wednesday to see what that is. Hope everybody has a safe week. Stay safe, and Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Wednesday. Thank you all for watching.
sun comes up across the mountain sky. Morning dew and a rooster's cry. Garden rows stretching far and wide. Another summer day on the countryside. Tomatoes growing, beans on the vine. Sweet corn standing tall in line. The flowers blooming red, yellow, and gold. Simple country treasures worth more than gold. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead. Working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's growing and the hay's been baled. Thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill. Living country life and loving it still. With flowers blooming bright along the way. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead today. The tractor's rolling through the hayfield green. One of the prettiest sights I've ever seen. Fresh cut hay and a warm summer breeze. The kind of life that puts your mind at ease. Carolyn's picking flowers by the gate, while supper's cooking and the day runs late. The garden's giving more than we can hold. Another homestead story waiting to be told. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead. Working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's growing and the hay's been baled. Thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill. Living country life and loving it still. With flowers blooming bright along the way. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead today. We've seen the sunrise and the evening glow. Watched little seedlings grow, row by row. Made memories here that money can't buy. Under these Appalachian skies. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead. Working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's grown and the hay's been baled. Thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill. Living country life and loving it still. With flowers blooming bright along the way. It's summertime on Holmans Homestead today. So thank you all for coming along with us. watching.